Hi guys. Today I'm going to be play Moana's World, aka my game. So let's see what's and apparently somebody's playing it and for play. Okay. No one even plays it. Okay. So let's read this, guys. Welcome to all of the Moana boats and get it and follow the white line. You mean this? That line? That white line? Okay. hmm Don't go really that fast because okay. Um the parking should be okay. Yeah, it says only park at any time. Oh my god, Moana! Is that Moana? Moana, why are you slamming? I need to fix you. How did go down there, bro? Just wait, guys. Guys, can you hear me? I'm back. So I'm just gonna. I think I glitched Moana. Yes. Moana, please don't go underwater. I guess. Are you too pushed under? Okay, you're done. Publish. Correct. Why did I said publish and create? That doesn't make sense. And I forgot guys to tell you it resets every time. Every time you you play games in Uni. I'm cute. Let's just follow. It doesn't have sounds to me, guys. So yeah, I'm currently wearing headphones. So yeah. I will just park here. I will just park it. Moana, hey Moana. Just gonna park here. Is it okay? I think it's meant to be here, but good thing I know it's hello, hey. And look, it says welcome to Mount. Sorry if I pronounce Moana's island wrong. Next, there's only two places in Moana's world. Moana's world, Moana's island. There's only this and this. I only made two islands because my battery is almost going to die. So yeah. So first let's go here. And you can see this swirl. It's the symbol of Cavite. I don't know why did I put the heart of Cavite, but yeah. This is the heart of the Cavite. People can go to the side or here or here or here or here to pray. This is their like church. This is where they pray to Cavite and Lord. Their three leaders are Moana. Oh, four leaders are Moana, Maui, Jesus, uh, who's that? Um, the one who is the monster, fire monster thing. Oh yeah, graffiti. This one, the symbol. Next island. Next island is Wishing Land. Basically, it's just a wishing. And there's another Moana. Yeah. I just posted Moana again to welcome people. Every island I put, I'm gonna put Moana. Why is this a wishing land ticket? Over here you can get some coconut. Oh no, over here you get some flowers that fall down in the by the fairy cherry blossom and um the cherry blossom, that is your money because they don't have money because they live in islands, so yeah, they just sit here, they throw money or sand, they throw money and they make a wish. So this, and they're also a little one, so yeah, and you can hang right here. And this is all for Matatui. Okay, let's stand. I want to stand. Okay, this will be the intro. Bye bye, guys. I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe this, and hit the bell below the button. And please like this video and please get my subscribers to 500 subscribers. I'm trying hard to to be my favorite YouTubers. Bye.